there, awesome artists! Are you ready to draw your very own castle? Let's do it! To start, make 2 rectangles at the bottom of your paper. Now, connect those rectangles with a straight line at the bottom. Imagine drawing a wavy square line at the top part of your rectangles. Do you see that? Repeat that wavy line just above the first one. Wow, your castle is taking shape. Time to make your castle even stronger. Draw some straight lines from the bottom to the top, like tall columns. These columns are like the castle's strong pillars. Awesome work! Draw little arched windows along the sides. Looking great! And now, add tiny flags on top of the castle towers. See them flutter in the breeze? In the middle of your castle, draw a big arched main door. This is the special entrance to your castle's magical world. Imagine fire torches on the walls. Draw simple flames on top. Nature time. Sketch some bush shapes around the castle. Now, let's add some colors. Make your castle gray, like a strong stone fortress. Color the main door brown. Red is perfect for the flags. Use yellow for the torch flames. Outline the flames with a touch of orange. Green goes for the bushes. They're like the castle's little pals from the outdoors. add some brick-like lines on the walls for extra detail. It's like the castle's special design. And there you go, you've created an amazing castle. Remember, art is all about having fun and using your imagination.